Journeying the Green Way, the path to plastic-free travel. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very special topic: plastic-free travel. This concept is gaining traction worldwide as we become more conscious of our environmental footprint. Plastic-free travel means making choices that reduce or eliminate plastic use while exploring new places. It's about being mindful of the impact our journey has on the planet. Let's unpack what this means and how we can all contribute to a cleaner, greener Earth. Plastic-free travel involves making efforts to avoid plastic products and packaging during your trips. This means saying no to single-use plastics like water bottles, straws, and cutlery. The goal is to minimize the amount of plastic waste that ends up in landfills and oceans, harming wildlife and polluting our beautiful travel destinations. By choosing alternatives, travelers can significantly reduce their environmental impact. Plastic pollution is a pressing global issue. Every year, millions of tons of plastic end up in our oceans, affecting marine life and ecosystems. Plastic-free travel not only helps in reducing this burden but also promotes sustainable tourism practices. It encourages both travelers and businesses to adopt eco-friendly habits, such as using biodegradable products and supporting local communities that practice sustainability. 1. Bring reusable items. Pack a reusable water bottle, coffee cup, and shopping bags. These items can greatly reduce your plastic consumption. 2. Choose eco-friendly accommodations. Look for hotels or hostels that practice sustainability, such as using renewable energy or offering bulk soap dispensers instead of plastic bottles. 3. Eat local. Eating at local restaurants or street food stalls not only supports the local economy but also usually involves less plastic packaging compared to fast food chains. 4. Be mindful of souvenirs. Opt for locally made, plastic-free souvenirs. This supports local artisans and ensures you're not contributing to plastic waste. While the idea of plastic-free travel is inspiring, it comes with its challenges. Availability of plastic alternatives may vary depending on the destination. There may also be situations where avoiding plastic completely is difficult due to health and safety reasons, such as during a pandemic. Awareness and preparation are key to overcoming these obstacles. Embracing plastic-free travel is a meaningful step towards protecting our planet while exploring its wonders. It's about making conscious choices that align with the well-being of our environment. We hope this video inspires you to consider how you can reduce plastic use in your travels and everyday life. Together, we can make a difference. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next adventure towards sustainability.